Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another Clash Royale video. Thank you so much for joining in, and today I'm gonna try out this Hog Mega Minion deck. So I don't know, this deck is definitely for these IR arenas. So if you are up in these IR arenas, what's wrong with me? If you are up in these IR arenas, then this deck might as well help you a lot when it comes to trophy pushing. So if you want to push up the trophies, then this deck might be for that cause. So we have some really cool cards, of course, just one legendary and two, of course. These two are not really great legendaries, of course. You can replace them for the deck. For the purpose of this deck, I'm just gonna keep these two guys, and this is pretty much the entire deck. If you have a good level Hog, like maybe the level 11 right now, and a decent level of all these other cards, then I'm quite sure this deck might work for you. So it's an average elixir cost of 3, so it's a cycle deck, which is really nice as well. So we're gonna get into some live attacks, but before that, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into the first attack. So we're gonna search up and open it, and who are we gonna get is the big question. So what is this? Oh my god, what is this? What kind of a name is that? I can't actually pronounce it. So we're just gonna leave that as to whatever it is. So we're gonna put in the Ice Wizard, pretty much the dumbest guy we have in his deck. So I pretty much hate this guy. So I'm just keeping him because he's an idiot. So we'll just probably put in all these guys. I'm just gonna log her down. I'm gonna put this over here, and I need to pretty much take that visit down, because that guy is gonna entirely ruin my entire deck composition over here. No, okay, so I pretty much have to tornado it to pull these guys. No, pull it before. Oh my god, that was really close. That dead damage would have probably taken it entirely, but god damn it, it's taken down anyways. How cool is that? So damn it, what is his name? That's really a horrible thing to not know. Okay, so what are we gonna do is just drop in the Hog to start the party. So he's coming over the way, so I'm gonna drop in the Fireball to do some damage to that. So he has the Valkyrie, no problem. We have the Mega Minion to probably do some stuff with that. So I'm gonna log this to do damage to that now. Oh my god, that was really close. So the witch is almost taken down, not a big problem at all. So I'm gonna drop in the Ice Golem, and the Valkyrie is pretty much redirected to the other side. So probably both of these guys are gonna do some stuff here. The Valkyrie is running away to take that Ice Golem, which is really nice, and we need to again drop in this, but then we're just gonna wait because we don't want that Valkyrie or the Wizard to do any damage on that tower. Please, oh my god, that was really close. So the Mega Minion should probably take that Wizard down. Yes, we are gonna do it, and just 62 hit points remaining on that side, while 734 remaining on this side. So we're gonna drop in the Tombstone to do some stuff over here. So we're gonna drop in the Fireball. The Fireball is gonna do some stuff there. We're gonna drop in the Ice Golem. The Ice Golem is gonna pull these guys towards there, and we're gonna drop in this, and then we need to log this guy down. I mean, log her down, because she is really horrible. And we're gonna tornado this. No. Okay, so we need to pull them all out, and no, the Ice Golem didn't work at all. God damn it, that huge idiot is gonna do some stuff there. So he's probably started on the other side as well, which is really horrible, and we need to start on to do some damage over here. So we need to drop in Hog, I suppose. I don't know, so dropping in the Tombstone, and the Valkyrie is probably gonna do a lot of damage. We're gonna drag all of these guys, dropping in the Ice Golem, and then we're gonna drop this in, and then drop in the Fireball. The Fireball should probably do some stuff again, and no, damn it, that was really bad. And the this clone thingy is doing a lot of stuff here, and that's what I absolutely hate about the clone. So it's fireballing this again. We are pretty much in some massive heat. The Hog Rider is doing in some stuff again on that on the right hand side. Okay, so we pretty much did do some stuff. So what are we supposed to do? Dropping in this, and then dropping in that, and then we're just gonna log that down because I just absolutely don't like it. And I'm gonna drop in the Hog Rider. God damn it! No. What is it? The Ice Golem is pretty much doing a really great job, but then we are in some trouble here, because you see the amount of troops that we actually have to face is just massive. We're just gonna fireball this before anything really horrible happens, and then they're just one shot away to die, and then we're just gonna Hog Rider this. I don't know how the Hog Rider did so much amount of damage So dropping in the tombstone pretty much puts that guy on the other side, and 380 points taken out by that horse rider. How cool is that? Sorry, buddy, you're from Russia, I understand, but we're really sorry for that. So we're gonna get into another quick second attack and probably get another victory. That's what we're gonna home for. Oh my god, it's a level 9 guy. Natiyu. God damn it, you're gonna face some heat because you're facing a level 10 guy. And how many times have I said you, I hate level 9 guys. So we need to be pretty careful about this guy. He's coming up with this big huge guy, the P.E.K.K.A. We have to be ready for it. So the ice visit is probably gonna stick around and do some stuff there. We're gonna drop in the I don't know, we don't have to drop in the hog rider, so the fireball is gonna do some stuff there. We're gonna drop in the ice golem. The ice golem again is gonna do some stuff, and we're pretty good to go, I suppose. I don't know. The ice golem is pretty much taken down, which is really great, and the ice wizard of course is doing in some really great stuff. So we have these guys, so I'm gonna drag all of these guys to the side. I don't want any problems over here. Oh, god damn it, man, just let me take that tower. No, he's not gonna let me do that. So I'm just gonna log this. So the bomber should be taken down. Yes, he is. How cool is that? So I'm gonna push this guy to go on to the other side. Now we're gonna drop in the ice golem. The ice golem is pretty much gonna slow everything down, and he is gonna help us take that what is that? The huge guy there. So pretty much we're on the lead. We pretty much didn't let this guy do any damage at all, which is really nice. And we actually have to start in with the attack again. So dropping in the hog rider next. We should again get some damage done on that right tower. So they're pretty good, I suppose, at least at this point in time. So dropping in the tombstone should probably come in over here. So we're gonna log that, and then dropping in the ice golem to pretty much distract it, and then we're gonna drop in the ice golem over here. Damn it, I should have actually dropped it a bit towards there. The bomber is gonna pretty much do it. Okay, yeah, we're pretty good. The bomber pretty much chose the wrong I don't know, trip, and that's. Oh, finally, they do some damage to the tower. How cool is that? So, starting over again, the horse rider is gonna do some stuff to that tower. So, dropping in the tombstone, dropping in this, and then, oh my god, we're in some trouble. Okay, so the ice golem, once it's down, is gonna do some stuff there. I mean, at least gonna take that badge down, which is really nice and good to have. So he's coming up with this over here. So we're dropping in the hog rider. The hog rider should pretty much run over and get the damage done again. So the baby dragon is pretty much doing in some really bad damages I don't like at all, and which is really bad, of course. Dropping in the ice golem. That's a pretty bad zap spell there. So dropping in it's not working for the opponent. We're gonna slow this down, and dropping in the hog rider over here is not gonna work at all for the opponent. You can actually see here it's not at all working. Just dropping in the fireball. The hog rider is doing in the damage, and we're gonna take that tower down. How cool is that? And we pretty much get the victory, you see. Although I didn't place all the troops the right way, the most effective way, we actually do get the victory. So there's an enemy spectating us, and he actually did get to know that our deck is much better than that of his friends. So yeah, it's a good deck, that's all. It's a good deck, and give it a try if you like it. It's a good deck, trust me guys, it's a really great one. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till the very end. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to copy this deck, go to the link in the description. There should be a link. Just click on that and you should probably get the deck itself. And yeah, thank you so much for watching till the very end. I'm Ayrus, and I'll be seeing you next time. Until then, goodbye.